Let me see. So let's start. Okay, so there are many new students in this class. So let me just show you around the website. Okay, so this is our 88 Tuition website. And if you want to know what you're supposed to prepare for the lesson, right? Look at this. Go to this part on live tutorial. Look at the part on live tutorial. Look at the live tutorial, and this is your slot, Sunday 2:30. Okay, the Sunday you're attending the Sunday 2:30 slot, and you should be preparing lesson 37 and 38. Please attempt the worksheet below before the tutorial. Okay, and in this lesson, okay, we are going to compare and observe. Okay, observe and compare life cycles of plants, animals, the following animals. All right. Any questions? No, yeah. So let's go to the we just took a break. You see, 37, 38. Yeah. So let's look at the 37 and 38 materials. Okay, Nicole, don't type 37, 38. Nicole, any questions you type inside the chat? Is that clear to keep the screen clean? Okay, 37 and 38. So the life cycles 1 and life cycle, okay, goes 2. Let me show you what's up. Okay. Okay, so in these two videos, right, in 38, it is mostly about the teacher chat. Have you all learned the topic life cycles in school? Have you all learned the topic life cycle in school? Can you type down yes or no in the chat? Okay, almost all. Okay, how about Valerie? Valerie, are you here? Okay, Valerie, yes, yes. Rohan, yes, okay. Very good. Okay, all of you, I would say not, I can say all of you have learned the topic life cycles. Very good. So in terms of theory, I will still go through the important parts, those parts that you need to know for PSLE. Okay, and then we'll zoom straight to the practice paper questions, which is even more important. So in these two videos, in lesson 37 and 38, the teacher is mostly going through how to answer different kinds of questions from these two topics. Okay, and before we do those questions, okay, I would like to just recap the theory, okay, with everybody, which is here. Can everybody write this down? Side note. You need to write down these side notes, okay, just to refresh your memory. Yeah. Okay, so you see, I added this. Okay, so a life cycle. Can everybody write this down? Okay, a life cycle shows the different stages of growth and development of a living thing. Can you write this down on a piece of paper or not on your notebook? Okay, write this down, class. Okay, and animals can have 3 or 4 stages life cycle. Give me a minute. Yeah, Nicole, you want to answer the first question? You can. Okay, give us a minute. Yeah. Yes, you need to write everything, Calvin. Do you have a piece? You have a notebook, because this is like the most important parts, okay, of the lesson. Okay, so animals can have 3 or 4 stages life cycle, and for 3-stage life cycle animals, right? You can divide, okay, or rather, the stages are as such. Okay, I don't have the diagram, that the cyclical diagram. Instead, I'm going to just use this. Okay, you start with the egg, then young, then adult, then back to the egg stage. All right. For 3-stage life cycle, yeah. Okay, you can. It's usually this egg young, adult, and egg, or egg tadpole slash nymph, then adult and egg again. And the group of animals that have this life cycle, okay, are mammals, birds, some insects, reptiles, fish, and amphibians. Yeah. Okay, everybody write this down. Okay, and for animals with 4-stage life cycle, it's egg, larva, pupa, adult, and egg again. And some insects have this kind of life cycle, okay? Can you write this down, class? Yes, Kelvin, you need to write down everything. Livy, you wrote down everything so fast. Livy, you have to write down everything in here, not just the first sentence. Not everything in this slide, you got to write it down in complete sentences, yeah? Now, let's look at the next part. The animals with 4-stage life cycle, right? Or rather, the nymph and larva stages, okay, listen carefully, yeah? Can I screenshot? No, cannot. Livy, you have, Nicole, you have to write it down on a piece of paper. You cannot just do screenshot. You're not gonna remember, okay? Not healthy, okay? Nicole, are you writing it down, Nicole? Okay, so first of all, the nymph and larva stages molt, okay? Simply because the exoskeleton doesn't grow, okay? The exoskeleton doesn't grow. It's just that our clothes don't grow as we grow, right? That's why you got to change your clothes every now and then. The idea is exactly the same. Next, molting allows the young of an insect to grow in size. Okay, Nicole, you want to go to the toilet? Hurry up, go and come back, go and come back. Oh my God, class just started, only go toilet. Abbas, are you writing down all this, Abbas? Abbas, you have to copy this. Okay, so once you're done writing, can you say a yes inside the chat so that I know that it's time to start? You must copy everything. Okay, so the groups of animals that molt, okay, they're called arthropods, okay, arthropods, yeah. Arthropods include insects, scorpions, spiders, crabs, lobsters. And it's a process in which, okay, then we talk about metamorphosis later on, okay? Calvin finished, Valerie finished, Rohan, Ariano finished, okay. Livy, are you here, Livy? Ariano want go toilet, quickly go and come back. Hurry up, are you? Abbas, are you writing down the notes? I think Rohan is definitely writing the notes, okay? So Nicole and Rohan, you done writing? Nicole and Rohan? Ariano, you finished writing already? Ariano?